my wonderful kings and queens. You're welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name is Lady G. Case today now your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I upload my ogbonge gist now you go first dey get the gist. Yes, my people. Another one don't land again. Another gist don't land again. This time around now from Ghana. Hey, my people, I say make I knack una the gist too. As I see and say na not be only me go see this one. I need to see and I need to talk for this matter. Una need to arrange this matter, join me because me I don't know how I go take put mouth for this matter. So now know say this big brother of 18 come be like say the thing na competition. Now the whole Africa countries now they do now because the last time when I see big brother Cameroon when the thing come, I can't make video about that something. Many people can't take the matter personal. E get one particular guy when they continue they write me. The guy, if you be say you dey watch this video so you know yourself. This guy take this thing so personal, he continue they talk the matter, he dey write comments, different comments every day. I don't already warn at and say if you write any comments wey concern that matter, because if you see something wey be say you don't like am, definitely before you watch that video you don't see the title, you know say you dey sensitive to am, you don't like am, you waka pass am, other videos dey go watch am, and people then when they enjoy am let them watch am. I know because of one person the thing wey many other people like, I no go do the video again because they talk say if one yam comot for pot, you know say make dem no pan the rest. So if you be say you dey watch this video so because now this same big brother problem now I wan still talk for here. So if you know say you dey watch am and you don't like am, then later after you don't watch am finish you come dey leave some kind thing finish, I go tell you if you give me anyhow I give you anyhow. If I finish I go block you comot, and before I go do that one I go make sure say I comot your teeth, and I go make sure say my people make una help me end the matter. So my people, make we go straight to the gist too. So Ghana control where their own, they can't give am the name. They say the name their own not be big brother, say their own na big brethren. My people, when I hear that one, say which one can't be brethren for inside the Ghana? I been inside church camp na dey for organizer. Which one can't be big brethren? What you concern big brother with brethren? So the way they tell organize is something wetin make the talk dey ground. The way they tell organize is something, and the place when they for organize am, that is the environment and the way where the place stay tight and it stay small. The thing not just good for at all. We need to talk this something. We need to talk out because this big brother one dey see so now government na the organizer. Government na the organizer and they know how much that they collect for inside every year. So for people to come organize something like this, they go put children for one room. When be say not be place when be say they go stay only 1 day or 2 days, they stay there for plenty weeks. You go put them for there. Good environment not there, not provide the necessary things when be say they no go lack anything. Then person go come talk, say me person not talking. Africa, we need to stop suffering and smiling because now they look this one. If you now see this something self, me myself I go drop the picture for now. Me una self still talk by myself because I first time now when I do one video when concern something like this, the way where the Cameroon people take organize their own. As I see this in Ghana, I come be like say Cameroon itself, it be like say now work, now they learn for here. So this way when they take organize something, you know, see the way they take gather the people, it be like say whether na detention. The people be like when they detention center, my people, I don't even know how I want to put this something, but I'll just still drop the picture because I did short of words. I still want to make una self still see. And concerning the light when they talk, because when you anytime when you try bring the matter, say the way they do this something, you need to talk out, you need to speak so that the government they watch all those things, they go hear, so they go learn from where they mistake. Because Oyibo people talk say anything that is worth doing well. If you not say you're not ready to organize something, you leave the something because not be by force. Because the way the whole things come be now, it be like say then it be like competition. Because if you watch out most things when Nigerians they do and Ghana, they competitive, they like they do things say it be like say I'm left out, it be like say I can't remain. Yes, Nigerians said they start from somewhere, and other countries when they try to be like Nigeria because they organize big brother. If you not say you never ready, we now go rest down for carry something when be say it get the way be for, and I can't drop them for public, post them for there, drop the video, drop the picture. Then I will expect people to they look this something like look who's they may not talk for the matter. That one not possible at all because not be private matter. As they drop them for public, anybody feel chook mark put for the matter. So my people, as I drop the picture for now, so make una self still look am because I dey hear most things when they happen for there. They say even the foam sef when they carry come na see some whether na student and mattress when they put for ground for there, dem say na everybody na carry im own come from house o. My people, make una no vex. The thing e dey funny somehow. Dem say everybody na carry im mattress come for house, even the food sef when they use for there. E be like say na all those food wey dem gather for palliative, that is the food wey dem give them for this lockdown wey dem dey dash some people. I don't know. Na the people wey dey make the comment, na then they drop the thing. So my people, it's something, the one wey really catch my attention for the matter now, this brethren wey dey add join am. Abeg, if somebody go fit help me break the matter, make it tell me where brethren for come for inside big brother. I no understand. If you be say you go fit help me break am, you know wetin e mean, abeg make you tell me. And this light of a thing when they talk, so when be say if you talk small, they go talk say no, na go sit down. Even Nigeria when be say they don't get light, they don't get this one. Somebody from other African country, they write me. Many people from different African countries, they be my friends too. My videos when they do not be only Nigerian, they look at many places. I get many fans when be say they from different country. Then they tell me say this light of a thing, because they say where person not reach, now it be like abroad. Now the whole Africa country, our leaders, they are the same. So you know what think say if Nigeria be like that, say life not the day this thing now because of the way the leaders still the organizer. Now so other leaders still be for that country. We know better pass each other. That same thing now they run for their body. The same mama I born all of them. Our leaders, all of them are the same. If it be say Nigeria, or if it be say it was passing the sense that they take like every time, if it be a little bit say it pass, but the way that they take am off and on as it be for Nigeria, so it be for every place when you don't call a country, because all the leaders now the same mama, now it born all of them. So even the other one when it happened when I first do the video, but if you keep be say in case say maybe you never watch and you never watch the video when I first do for that Big Brother Cameroon, I will leave the link under the description of this video so that you go still go watch that one. So my people, I go drop the pictures, so see drop the things when I go fit still drop for here. Make una self still look, make una self still take una mouth judge, make una still look and say with the way that they organize all these things now. See the one Cameroon first do, and see the one Ghana they do now. Even though say they add brethren join their own. Small time we hear say Uganda, Somalia, all of them they organize their own. Make una see this kind of thing. What that person told they supposed to see all this kind of thing, he go keep quiet. That is, he go they encourage the leaders. Make that they collect money for all these people head, then they go they put them for one kind place when be like say where they range sardine put. Then go talk say now Big Brother now that they organize. My people, I don't understand, because you can't be like say the thing now by force. It be like say this one don't do now, let me never do, I'm left behind. So my people, now the way I see, and so I take talk my own, so because when I see this something, it dey funny so somehow, but we still need to still talk the truth for the matter. So just drop your own comment at the comment section, how you see the matter, wetin you think about the matter. Say it's supposed to be like this, because most of us maybe that thing, especially that Africa, we dey like suffering and smiling, even when something not good. We know say the thing they chop us, but we go they pretend they smile. So some Ghanaians still there when be say they support this thing. Why some they when be say I beg, make them comment this thing, say this thing be like say then they take them they rub ground. How they will come do this kind of thing, post online. Ghana of all people can't say now like this, and they say organize their own big brethren. Either they call them when not me give them the name. If they don't say they never ready, make them rest. Anything that is worth doing is worth doing well. Even the one that they do for Nigeria, and they even they say and say some children they come from uptown, they come from Yankee when they're born for abroad, they go house, go contest. Why? Because they get good environment and they organize the something when be say now place when you go feel at home, when you go feel stay. So why can't they copy like that? So if you know say your hand never reach like that, then you quit until when your hand don't reach like that. Even though it not just be like that, but at least it go better pass. Not be say you go carry room and parlor, just face me and face you. Carry one generator put for one corner, carry pure water put for one corner of door. Everybody carry mattress come from house. You come they talk say now Big Brother been a big brother, now you dey organize. My people, I beg make una still chook mouth for this matter. I beg make una just leave una comment below at the comment section. Wetin you think, how you feel, wetin be your opinion, just drop am. So my people, I will hang the matter for you. I hope to come on our way very soon and not too far from now. And if you be say you never subscribe to this my video, I beg just subscribe now. This one be your opportunity to subscribe to help your sister, and just click that notification bell. And for those of now when you don't subscribe, God will bless you. I appreciate you. I thank you so much, guys. I will see you very soon on my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.